let's talk robot. Some of the dirtier, darker secrets. As you can see, he's mowing right now. You look back that way, everything looks pretty freaking good, doesn't it? Oh yeah, it looks really, really good. And while I love the time that it saves me, the ability for me to leave for the weekends, do things, and not have to focus and maintain a lawn, that's awesome. But here's all the stuff that doesn't really get talked about. And here we go. Look at this. Not too bad, not too bad, but we're doing a perimeter tour. I don't know what scalped it there. I think it was Connor, but yeah, it was definitely Connor working on his edging with a string trimmer. We can ignore that there, but then a lot of Bermuda creep in here. Normally this would be handled kind of on a day-to-day basis as we're out mowing. Huge difference here. You can see where the soil is, where the hand cut edge, the natural edging would be, versus where the Bermuda is growing. And it continues, and this is all entirely 100% my fault. I'm not out here, and a lot of that is I'm away on weekends now. We're riding bikes, racing bikes. We got back last weekend. We're doing another one this weekend. Oh, there's some tornado remnants. I need to pick that guy up. You can see, and then just because I haven't been out as much, the beds aren't what they should be. Got some poison ivy growing back in here. That's gonna be nice. These hostas, though, that I planted many years ago are doing fantastic. Then this rose bush right here actually used to be next to my mailbox. I've only trimmed it one time. And because now that it's in this little shady environment here, it's not growing like a freaking weed. But then speaking weeds, or are those natives? I don't know. I'm leaving them. But now let's talk about what happens when you have hardscape to where you can't get right up next to it. Well, you get stuff like this where I haven't been trimming it. And then from the GPS standard, and I just scalped back here so you can ignore the brown. But right here, you can see that's where the mower turns around because, and again, I haven't been doing a lot out here. I got some work ahead of me. But between this here, that sweet gum tree that needs to come out, like those aren't too big. This area enough causes the GPS to lose signal, so the mower doesn't work back here. That's, I guess, a negative of a GPS based mower. But again, here we have, look how deep my fingers are into that overgrowth. Holy cow. That makes someone happy, but not if you're looking for a good lawn. But yeah, this is kind of where I'm at right now. And the same thing, again, all my fault. This has nothing to do with the robot. It's work. It's a work issue tied on with being away on weekends, doing other things, and being 100% burnout due to work. But some cleanup, we're gonna get underway with that, and I'm gonna start redoing some things back here. I still love having the robot. Right now it's at the 30mm height of cut, so just over 1 inch. I had the issue where the rubber duck got caught in it and it melted my PLA for my height of cut kit, and I still haven't gotten around to printing new ones to get those back up and operational, but it does decent on a cut for the most part. Look, it's not bad, but it was cutting tons better at like 25mm with the Bermuda, and that's just the nature of the grass. If this was fescue or KBG or something, it'd probably be awesome. Not so much KBG, but the softness I could see with the tires. You can see the tracks as it's backing up. But yeah, that's the biggest issue I've had, is if you're still not out maintaining things, you're left with lots and lots of stuff. And then if you have aspiring teenagers, they make your edges look like that. So pretty cool. So there it is, some nastiness, some icky nastiness from, I don't know, total lack of me doing anything this year about coming out here. Again, there's more of it. 100% my fault, not spending as much time in the lawn. So you know what that means. Everything was designed in this lawn based on spending maximum time in the lawn. So now we're going to redo it and minimal time in the lawn. I don't want to spend any more time than I have to, and to maintain appearances and how everything looks. So that's starting really soon, and probably not the best time with a Bermuda lawn, but